Hi, I'm Danica, and if you're building your membership site or online course, chances are you have asked this question. So like, what's the best tool that you need? How do I automate my website? How do I actually get people to sign up? I've been building membership sites since 2014. And I've seen what works and what doesn't. I started this channel because I keep getting the same questions over and over again from our clients, and I wanted to have a place where membership owners can easily access those answers. At first, I have focused on the how-to tutorials on the best tools like WordPress, Memberium, LearnDash, WP Fusion, etc. But then I noticed something, just having the right tool is not enough to grow your membership site. I've seen some clients build a beautiful membership site, but it did not sell. I've seen some advanced automation, but no members are actually using them. And I've also seen some launch. No one signed up, so they thought they failed. And that's when I realized that most people focuses only on the tech side, but ignore what's actually important to grow your membership site. So in this channel, I'm gonna help you build a membership site that grows and not just launches. I'll break down the tools that you really need so you don't waste money. I'll show you how to optimize your website for conversion so you get paying members. And then based on my experience, I'm also gonna share the biggest mistakes to avoid so you don't waste time on those. And while my focus is in WordPress, I know that the world is evolving. So I'm also gonna share my insight with other tools like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Skool, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, other AI tools that you can use for your membership business to grow. So if that's something that you need, hit that subscribe button and I'll drop new videos every week to help you scale your membership site without the guesswork. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of membership site are you building. I'd love to hear from you. And again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.